Hey, what up everybody? It's me, MsEbonyVee. Welcome back or to my channel. If this is your first time here, thank you for joining me. I do hope you'll consider hitting that subscribe button as well as that notification bell so you don't miss any other videos. And if you're returning, hey, Shug Muffins. Alright y'all, so we got another unboxing of the infamous brown sugar box. Yes, this is a subscription box owned by the beautiful and lovely Izzy and Liv. I absolutely love this subscription box. I talk about it every time I do an unboxing, so you know how much I really love this box. They have such cultured and unique items, and it's pretty much for everyone. They have a specific box for women, for children, and for men. You definitely want to check out this subscription box. It's only $39.95 a month. You can keep it going for as long as you want, or you can stop it. Take a little pause if you want. You're like, all right, you know, I gotta get my $39.95 today or this month. Pause it, and you can pick up anytime. I have reviewed several of these boxes, so I'll be sure to include the link to all of the other videos down in the description box below. So feel free to check that out as well, so you are up to date on some of the items that they have provided in these boxes, because they have been really nice. All right y'all, so let's go ahead and dive right in. You know, I try not to hold y'all too long with these subscription box unboxings. Like, whew, I be trying to keep my videos to like a minimum, but whew, I get a little chatty. I try to reel it in. I try to pull it back. So that's what I'm gonna do. Let's go. So every month they include a magazine, and they also have a theme of the month for the subscription box. This is for the month of July 2021, and the theme of this month is Black Girl Illustrated. Okay? This is what the cover looks like, as well as some of the other topics. So in the magazine, they have, as you see on the front, various topics that they like to talk about and give you information on. It also includes a list of all of the items you could potentially have in your box, as well as the description for those items and the price for each item. So since I have been subscribed to this box, I'm very used to getting a t-shirt or a tank top for the month, but I didn't get one this month. I'm a little disappointed in that. Like, I look forward to the t-shirt and the very nice positive sayings that they have, but not for the month of July, so be well aware of that. I mean, you know, I guess they're like, okay, we can skip 1 month without a t-shirt or a tank top. Yes, Izzy and Liv, you sure can. It's okay. No big deal. So let's just see what else we got up in here. So the first item I am pulling out, let me give you a description first. I like to read about it before I show you all in depth. This is a feminine fine camera bag crossbody, and it's retailed at $35. You have the option of 5 different styles. Let me show you which style I have, and then I'll show you the rest of the styles. Oh, it is coming down outside. Ugh, I hate it. I'm not a fan of being outside in the rain. Let me tell you that now. Oh, look at this cutie. Look at this. Got 2 girlfriends on there having a little adult beverage. Got this little handy hand part right here to hold your clutch if you don't want to use the strap. So let's see how we're looking inside. Here is the strap. It's quite busy with all these lovely ladies. I feel like all these same ladies are on my coffee mug that I use every day that I got from this subscription box. I use that mug every single day for my coffee. That's my daily mug. So it's cute, and it's very easy to just attach to the little hook, and you're on your way. Very easy. I feel like, though, I might like a different design a little better. Like, I don't want all these different women on my bag like that, but, you know, that's what I got. These are the other designs. Oh, well, shoot, they all got somebody on it, with the exception of one. So, there's people on every bag, okay? Those are the design options. Okay, super cute. Very cute. Not sure if I'll keep it. I might give it to my daughter. You know, I just want it to be used, and I can't say that I would necessarily use it, but it's cute. All right, so the next item I am grabbing is a Sure Thing jersey maxi dress. It retails at $44, and there are 3 different designs. Now, this makes me think of last month's subscription box where it was like that super oversized, I forgot the name. I don't know what it was, but you could style it in various ways. You don't have to like wear it all big and loosey-goosey as it came. It's the same concept with this one. So let me show you the design. I don't know if I like this design though, but let me just show you anyway. This one again has a ton of faces. I always think of my bestie Trez when I'm reviewing these because she like despises faces on her clothing or on paintings. Like she just hates the faces. So I always think of her when I'm getting these faces. I'm like, nope, Trez wouldn't wear this. But this is what you got. It's super long. Let me stand up and show you. I love the colors. It's very long. It just looks like a, I don't know, it makes me think house robe at first sight. You know, just pulling it out the box or whatever. I think it's some slits down here. Here's some little small slits here at the bottom. I feel like I'm not doing it justice if I don't show you the picture with the different styling options and designs. So, I mean, they styled it pretty cutely versus how it comes, I think. I would definitely pick one of these styles versus wearing it as is. Wouldn't happen. Isn't that cute? Like, they styled it nicely. I would probably have to restyle it, something like that. I definitely couldn't just wear it as is. Unless I'm wearing it to bed. For real, for real. So they included an info card with that maxi dress. And it says, please read information about your maxi dress. And I'm on the back side and it says, hey, brown sugar babe. Hey, girl. We're excited that for the first time ever, we were able to give you a whole entire dress in your July brown sugar box. We hope you love your New Jersey maxi dress and can't wait to see how you style your dress to make it your own. In making these dresses, we took great care to ensure that you receive the correct size according to your size preference. So, I like that they took it upon themselves to size it accordingly to our normal sizes. So my normal size on here is large, which most times I feel like I need to change it to medium because everything always seems too big. But because I have large as my preference, they sized it down for me to a medium. And so, you know, hopefully it fits a little better and it's not like all super big and bulky. And I can style it as I may and it still looks cute. So we'll see what I come up with. That'll be a later video or Instagram post or something. All right, so moving on to the next item. We got a couple boxes in here and it looked like they're like jewelry boxes. So this is one of them. Got a little jewelry box. Let's see what we got up in here. Okay. Real silver plated. So I don't know if these are bracelets or anklets. Let me read. Ain't she a work of art anklet? Okay, I knew it was one of the two. She retails at $30 and there are 2 different sets. So I have one set that's silver and it has like these, oh, it has fearless. First I just thought it was alphabets. I'm slow. I am slow, but it actually says fearless. I hope you can see before it falls down. Cute. And then there's a gold set that could say fearless or it could have, it looks like the African continent. So let me give you a little close up of what the options may be. But they're super cute. I feel like I haven't had an anklet in like forever. I mean like forever ever. I just haven't had an anklet. I don't know. I'm not big on jewelry. I wish I was. Like all I wear is my wedding ring. And look, I'm not even wearing that. Like, when I'm in a house all day and I'm like washing my hands excessively, because that's what I do. Like, I am an excessive hand washer. So that's probably why I just don't like a whole lot of jewelry on my hands, for real, for real. Just me, though. All right, so let's move on to the next jewelry box. It is in this lengthy box, which to me makes me think a watch or something. But let's see, maybe a necklace, I don't know. Oh, cute. Let's see what we got. So it's like Oh, this is so cute. It's multiple chains on one. I don't know if they're all like 3 individuals, but it's really cute. So you got this little cute elephant. Let me see if I can get y'all to really see this stuff. Oh, look at this. It's so cute. And this one. Very cute. I'm not big on gold. I wear gold like every blue moon. And so, yeah, I could definitely rock it whenever I'm wearing gold, you know, which is not that often, but it happens sometimes. So, let me give you the deets on that. It is the model of Melanificence. I've never seen that word in all my living. You see the pause? I was like, what? Melanificence. Model of I'm stuck on Melanificence. I love that. I love how they put that word together. I just love it. I love the creativity of that. Come on. It retails at $35 and you have an option of a gold set or a silver set. But Melanificence. Hello? Alright, so for the final item in this box, we got Whip It Real Good. What's that movie? Whip it, girl. Whip it real good. Who said that? I don't even remember. It was in a movie or a show or something. I swear things just stick out in my brain like that. I don't even know why. Anyway, it's Whip It Real Good Whipped Body Butter. I am always here for that. And it's something I can smell. Oh, you don't know how much that brings me joy. I love when I get like smell goods. Like that's my jam. That's just my jam. So this is retailed at $20 and you have the option of 2 different fragrances. I have eucalyptus and mint, and there's also ginger peach. That sounds so good. Ooh, either one of them will work for me. So you know I'm about to bust up in here because I gotta get my sniff check on, y'all. Oh, I thought it was gonna be like a cover. Nope, she's ready. She's ready. Just open her and she's ready to go. Oh my God. I don't want to stop. I can smell this like all day. I don't even want to stop. Oh, I got it on my lip. I put it too close. Oh man, it smells so good. Get off of me. Oh my gosh, that smells so good. I can only imagine what that ginger peach smell like. It is a 10-ounce jar. It says apply from head to toe to hydrate skin. Hello? Some of the ingredients: water, sunflower oil, soya oil, vegetable glycerin, stearic acid. Look, I'm not about to read all that. It's a whole bunch of stuff. Jojoba oil, avocado oil, goat's milk, aloe vera. There's a lot of stuff up in here. So, yeah, I'm ready for that one. Yes! That's going to be a staple. I get so excited when I get smell goods, y'all. Thank you, Izzy and Liv. All right, y'all, so that's all I got for the month of July. I'm definitely here for the jewelry and the whipped butter. Yep, those are my faves this month. Let me know what your faves are. Let me know down in the comments below what you feeling, what you feeling, what you not. Let me know down below. Let's chat about it. So the retail price of this entire box is $164, y'all. And it's only a $39.95 cost per month for the subscription. Like, sis, that's really winning. That's really winning. Even if you don't like everything, you still win it. You're getting more than you're paying per month. Like, come on. Winner, winner. Can't beat it. Well, I thank you all so much for watching. If you're not already, make sure you're following me on Instagram at MsEbonyVee. Please be sure to give this video a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you have not, and I'll be sure to catch you all in the next video. Bye, y'all.